Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Tonight we're out in the shop, which is a little bit of a disaster at the moment. We got quite a bit going on. We're getting ready to stretch this building a fair bit, and well, we'll get into all that later. But what we're here to talk about tonight is this new little light from Olight. It is a nice little EDC pocket light called the ArkPro, and I'm going to go over some details on it. So let's get at it. First up, just a quick overview of what we got here. Got a nice aluminum housing, a two-way clip, one that can clip onto bills of hats and such like that, one that can clip on your pants pocket, and the overall size of this light is really impressive for the output, which we'll go over later. This slips right into a pocket real easy. If you're like me, you get home, it's already dark out. You almost need to have a light in your pocket or on you all the time. Not a bad choice to do anyways, but finding them that are bright enough and not too bulky can be a problem. This also has a magnetic base which hooks onto the magnetic charger that comes with it. I don't have that out here right now, but this can be charged two different ways, with the magnetic charger on the bottom and a USB-C port right here on the side. But it's got a nice switch that switches between light outputs. Going to turn it on. That's the low power setting on the floodlight. We got the spotlight setting, and we have a UV setting, which is really nice for us mechanics that do any kind of leak testing and stuff like that. You've got a UV light on you all the time. It's really handy. This also has a nice built-in laser, and it is really bright, got a really long range on it. So far, battery life on this thing has been really impressive. I've been carrying it every day now for a little over a week, and yeah, I'm not easy on things. It's been dropped, it's been knocked out of my pocket, knocked off the workbench, and yeah, it just keeps going. So I haven't had any issues out of it, but the output of this little light, for what it is really impressive. So we'll I'll tell you what, I can just shut the lights off in here and show you what I'm talking about. First up, we'll give the UV light a go. Click it on. Not sure if you'll be able to pick up much of this on the camera, but as you can, yeah, it looks like you can. Everything with is UV reactive across the shop is picking up pretty well. The light output on this is pretty solid for what it is. We'll go on and switch over to the flood. Oh, wrong switch. There we go. This here is the normal setting. And we'll go on and kick over to the spot. Nice beam strength, nice range. But now we'll kick it up on the high. Oh, that's strobe. There we go. Really intense, bright light. We'll switch it over to the flood and see that in high. As you can tell, really good light output. Hopefully you're picking this up on the camera. For the size of this light, it is really impressive. You also have the laser incorporated with it, which can be used with all the lights. So if you need to illuminate something and point it out in the distance, this works really well. So yeah, this right here is an impressive little EDC light. It's definitely going to be part of my kit from here on out, as far as what goes with me every day. And yeah, if I have any trouble with it or anything like that, if I end up breaking it, I will let you guys know. But yeah, so far I am really impressed. I like that I don't have to change batteries in it. It's got the battery built in. Just charge it and you're good to go. The fact that it's got USB-C charge port on it, everything I use anymore has a USB-C charger, so that works out well for me. But yeah, if you want to check these out, which I suggest you do, check the video description. Got a link to them. Again, it's a Olight ArkPro. Check the video description for links to them. They've got Black Friday deals going. I believe they've got deals going all throughout until the end of the year, so be sure to check them out. With that said, if you would, hit that thumbs up button. It helps us out quite a bit and doesn't cost you anything. If you got any comments, questions, complaints, drop them in the comment section below. I try to answer all of those to the best of my ability as quickly as I can. But yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.